Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tech tips and tutorials to help you navigate your digital world. Today, we will be discussing how to delete a Google account. Whether you have a personal or work account, there may come a time where you no longer need the account, or perhaps you have privacy concerns. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to delete your Google account and provide some important things to keep in mind before doing so. Step 1. Before you delete your account, make sure to back up any important data or files. This includes your emails, contacts, photos, and any other content that you want to keep. Once your account is deleted, you will not be able to retrieve this information. Step 2. Go to the Google account deletion page. You can check the link in this video description. You will be asked to sign in to the account you wish to delete. This step is important to ensure that you are deleting the correct account. Step 3. Review the information on the page, including the consequences of deleting your account. You will also be asked to confirm that you understand what will happen to your data, and that you want to delete your account. Step 4. Click on the Delete Your Account button. You may be asked to enter your password again to confirm the deletion. Step 5. Wait for the account to be deleted. This may take a few days, and you will receive an email when the process is complete. And there you have it, a simple guide to deleting your Google account. Remember, before you take this step, make sure that you have backed up any important data, and that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.